Hey everybody, Pete Greco with Productive Corp. Welcome to part two of Exchange Online, Recovery, and Archiving. Let's do it. First, I always feel like I need to disclose that we use Office 365 here, and I really like it. We don't miss managing Exchange on-prem at all. Patching, rebooting that server, all that stuff, don't miss it at all. I bet you don't or won't either if you make the move to O365. We were so excited about getting rid of Exchange, and as an early adopter, there was a pretty significant overlook that we made that we were unaware of until we had some data loss, backup, and recovery. In fairness to me, when we first switched, nobody had solutions for backing up to the cloud yet. And when we suffered data loss a few years ago, these solutions were just starting to appear on the market, and we were not an early adopter in that scenario. So a few years ago, our marketing manager called me and said he was missing at least a dozen random emails. We checked all the folders, the recycle bin, and the second recycle bin. Final option was a forensic recovery, which would only work if we knew the senders and the exact subject lines of each email that we wanted to recover. Well, we didn't. So don't let that happen to you. Exchange Online is still Exchange. The cloud isn't a magical repository where things can't go wrong. There is still an opportunity for major outages, corrupted data, and data stores and the like, right? So we need to do many of the same things that we did when we had Exchange locally, like backup. Probably the most common scenario here is end users creating their own headaches by deleting, either accidentally or intentionally, their mailbox or critical emails. There are multiple solutions that will help you back up your Office 365, either from cloud to cloud, into Azure, or locally to your on premise environment. As with on prem backup, you can still take advantage of data deduplication, frequent backups throughout the day, and even pick and choose which user accounts get backed up. Restores can be quick and easy, giving you the option to restore just individual mail messages or folders, as well as entire boxes. These messages can also be restored to new locations in the case of a deleted end user where you need to recover some of their emails for any given reason. This is changing gears a little. Archiving is different from backup. Archiving is a feature of O365 E3 and is going to be more for meeting compliance requirements. Archiving is more about keeping a forensic history of emails and keeping that history intact that are searchable but not modifiable. While this is included in the highest level of O365, there are many benefits of looking at a third-party vendor here, including if you're running a lower edition. Ease of use is a huge one. The ability to tag and comment emails, control who has access to what, including end users, to search and recover their own individual mailboxes is huge. Automatic email categorization is always impressive when folks see how much easier that makes finding emails related to certain topics across all the mailboxes. Archiving is another way to get your email stored in a second location. We believe everybody should be doing at least backup. If you have the compliance need, you may be able to get by doing only archiving, but there are many environments that require both for different reasons. And that's our job to help you figure out which category you should fall into if you don't already know. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to learn more about data recovery and archiving for Office 365, please reach out to your Productive rep. Check us out, help@productivecorp.com. We can set you up with demos, information, and pricing to help you get the right thing for your organization. Thanks, and have a great day.